Hello YouTube, it's 05 Neon SRT4 here. So I got this solar panel from Amazon. So it's supposed to be compatible with the Ring outdoor camera. It's a little cheaper version as compared to the original Ring solar panel. So it comes with the wire, everything needed to mount to wherever you need. So I'll be posting a video shortly. All right, so I drilled into whatever this, it's not cement, whatever this wall. Use a supply drill bit. And I use this deal here. And screw so it's secure. And then it's gonna go in the back of this, if you can see it. Hold on. Right there. Right there. And here's the solar panel connection. So it's gonna snap on right there. And then we should be in business. Okay, so it's done. It's connected back there. Now it's gonna adjust that. Like so.